Alright, what's up guys? In today's video, we are gonna be using the gingerbread man kit to the best advantage, alright? This kit is just unfair, like, it is. Like, all you need is 40 iron and some blocks, and you're good to go for a big amount of kills. Like in my last video where I mastered it, yeah, not really, but I've been practicing a lot, and I think I'm the best gingerbread man user. Let me know in the comments, guys, if I am. And let's check my team. Okay, absolute sweaty players. I have no life. Alright. Oh, my friend's ringing me, man. Shut up. I'm trying to record a video out here, man. Bro, they just ringing me right now, bro. God damn. Bro, this terror, dude. I want a grass map to shoot grass at people. Okay, you're not funny, bro. You're just not. You're just not funny. 40 yard, I get this, and I can do this. Watch this. I timed it correctly now. Should be able to do it easy. And like a bit of blocks, put them over here. I can do this easy. Look at this, look at this. I'm about to get so much kills with this. This is the best kit. I'm gonna help him capture this. Oh. My teammate's crazy, bro. Come here. Now use his dash. Yup, in the void I go. You don't get my one diamond, bro. You'll never get it. Okay, now my teammate is always gonna get that, I guess. Oh, I just hate teammates who just camp at the generator until they get 100 million iron and then they just spend it on something like a pickaxe and then deliver it to the other team. Like, I hate it. Now I need a bit more stronger sword. People may fall for it a little bit, but if like you're lower loot than them, they might come and chase you. Just might. Okay, I didn't get the timing perfect, but hey, it's pretty good. People are sweaty builders. You can also do this for your advantage. No! Where'd she go? What? Oh, she died. Option. I think we got it. How did he kill me? He's not even fast. He's Grim Reaper. He can't be that fast. He didn't even kill me. That makes no sense. I got Void Terra by accident. I was playing. I used Terra. And noticed my blocks. Oh, well, maybe I could get it accidentally. Bro, I can't with people just having reach or something. Like, this has happened to you guys. The enemy is like here, and you're here, right? And he hits you from there. And he's not even a hacker. Does that even make sense anymore? Yeah, he's instantly dead. Wow, would you look at that? Like, tell me in the comments that happens to you, because that happens to me so much. But when the enemy is right beside you and you see his sword, you miss. Like, the game is broken. Everyone gets it except the actual good players. Except me or anyone else. Whee! I'm a little bunny hopper out here with this. Why do you have to be so annoying? That's just unfair. Now that's just unfair. Void region, come on, this isn't fair. Bro, void region, like quit the game if you're using that, bro. That's just unfair. Heals the 10 extra HP and you're doing like and you're doing damage at the same time. That's not even fair. Of course. Well, Bedwars hates me, I swear. Yeah, I think I can't 2v1 you guys. Go straight to the void. And you're getting straight up comboed. Wow, I guess this kid still does work. I think it would work better in solos, I'm not gonna lie. Woo! Wait. Use it. Break it. I love this. Watch this. Woo! Save this one. Just save this one. Don't you dare. Iconic combo. Oh, that sucks. We're just gonna go to solo match. I can't anymore. I'm just gonna skip until we get to the solo match. Alright, we are currently in the next match, and we have to wait a couple of seconds, alright? It's alright, okay? You gotta just wait a couple of seconds. Ice Man literally floating in the air. What? Oh, he just left the game as soon as he touched me. Wait, does that work in this guy? Oh. He tried to go to my base but failed so hard. That's funny. Is he gonna use it? Yep. No, he's just gonna get blocks. Dude, what is wrong with people just falling, bro? He just lost to get the kill so bad. Yeah, you dead. Bro, this guy, dude. This guy. Oh, what? How am I supposed to deal with this? I guess somehow. Yeah, I'm definitely building. I don't care, get my bed. Get my bed. I will literally stay here with my slime. Till you die. Nice luck. Better luck next time, buddy. Just better luck next time. Is he? No, he didn't leave. Oh man, you just need to kill me once. It's not hard, bro. Oh. Just gonna let Orange fight him then. Nice. Just wasted it. He's gonna go back. I'm just gonna stay up here. Yeah, sure, I'm so dumb. Hey, I'll personally... Oh. It's so dead, bro. Just stop running already. You know you're dead. So stop running. Half of the times, they just quit. And oh, it's my chance, bro. Let's go, bro. Someone killed him. Yeah, get this bed, get this bed, get this bed. Oh, he had a Pirate Navy cannon. Oh, boy. Oh, he fell. Sorry. Bro, they just do the most sweatiest thing possible and hope to win the fight. They just hope. Now this guy's rushing again. Does anyone really teach this guy? Was no one teaching. That don't rush somebody that you can't even rush. You may have got my bed, but you didn't get me. And I got you many times, bro. I killed you already 5 times, bro. Sheesh. You better get in the... You better kill me just once. Hey, it's not about the bed. It's all about the skill, alright? He may got the bed, but he may not have me. It just is what it is. It just is what it is. Sorry, bro. Yo, that man with the Pirate Navy cannon is really skilled. And that man with the floor that I'm versing is not too skilled. Damn, that Pirate Navy user be cracking up. You're so cringe, why do you play like that? Such oh yeah, he lobbied. I mean, just there it is, the tactical lob. I'm just gonna get these items. Never listened to my instincts, bro. Bro, purple needs to chill out, alright? They got the Pirate Navy cannon and everything in this mode. He's just like, why do you play like that? You're so cringe. I'm the ones who are being cringe. You just didn't get our bed. It's all that happened. She got her, but it did not get me. Alright, I've got absolutely nothing, bro. Let me get something, bro. Some reason whenever I do a good axe, it feels like, I don't know, uncomfortable. Bro, what? 2 people on me? Why don't you stop complaining and actually play the game? Like, it's just a game. You can't complain. Because the game literally chose, like, good players to be in your lobby. That doesn't mean you have to go, oh, no. I have to, I have to complain in the chat because 2 people are on me. That is the best choice that anybody could even think of, alright? That's his. Just thinking right now. That's not very good thinking. Me no team. Hey, you may not team, but I may not. I don't know. You may not team, but I may not allow you to win. I know where my man's at. Bro, is he at his grandma's house or something? I'm just gonna sit here and wait. Maybe he's coming. It's not coming? I know. I think that's him. Oh, let's go! Alright, that's a finished process, alright? We're just gonna say GG. Alright, never mind. He's just like, wow. I flew. Yeah, maybe you should be a little more careful, alright? GG. Oh yeah, GG. Uh, yeah, that's completely it. It's just so easy. It's unfair. Like, I'm telling you, bro, it's just unfair. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure, and if you did, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, love,